story. The High Court in Nairobi has ordered the lawyer and the auctioneer who effected the eviction and demolition of a home in Westlands to swear affidavits explaining circumstances that led to the wrongful implementation of an order that expressly prohibited them from evicting or demolishing the 80 million shilling property. The High Court Judge Oscar Angote questioned the eviction and subsequent demolition that went against the court order issued by a lower court. The auctioneer, Zachary Baraza, who is in police custody, was arraigned on a miscellaneous application. Let's get more from our very own Hassan Mugambi.
Wednesday afternoon, and Zachary Baraza, the auctioneer who was arrested Tuesday night for allegedly illegally effecting the eviction and subsequent demolition of a prime property in Westlands area of Nairobi, was presented before the duty magistrate at the Milimani Court. The prosecution sought 14 days to have him detained as detectives conclude investigations. The prosecution seeking the days to allow investigators access the demolished property belonging to Niraj Shah and his wife Avani Shah, so as to quantify the damage and create an inventory of items allegedly stolen from the house during the demolition.
Your Honor, the investigating officer also believes there are accomplices who are yet to be arrested, and the respondent before court, Your Honor, will aid him in investigations, Your Honor, leading to the arrest of the accomplices, Your Honor.
Baraza's lawyer, Brian Haemba, opposed the application, saying that his client was not a flight risk and is not in a position to interfere with investigations. After hearing both sides, Shikwe will Thursday rule on whether the prosecution's prayer will be granted or the suspect admitted to bail. Later in the afternoon, an inter-party hearing that was only attended by the lawyer representing the auctioneer and the firm laying claim to the contested piece of land, Lariak Properties, Brian Haemba, Justice Oscar Angote, pointed out that the order used by the auctioneer and his clients to effect the eviction and subsequent demolition of the 80 million shilling house was misinterpreted.
Mr. Nanyuki Advocate and Mr. Zachary Baraza, trading as Siuma auctioneers, to swear affidavits explaining the circumstances under which they carried out eviction and demolition of the house standing on LR 1870/Roman 3/46, notwithstanding the express orders of the lower court, which provided that the injunctive orders should not be interpreted to mean eviction of the respondent.
An order issued by the court on the 1st of November this year expressly stated that the restraining order should not be interpreted as an eviction order against Niraj Shah and his wife Avani Shah. The auctioneer Zachary Baraza, on behalf of Lariak Properties, however, presented an order reportedly from the same court dated 18th of October 2022 that left out the detail. They are also reported to have ignored orders from the Nairobi County stopping the eviction and demolition. Justice Angote is seeking to find out whether the court order was altered, forged, or misinterpreted. The matter will come before the High Court next week, Monday, for the determination of a way forward. Hassan Mugambi, Citizen TV.